incorporate social data. Social media sites analytics can be a terrific method of filling in the picture of your target audience. They assist you recognize who's communicating with your social accounts, even if those people are not yet customers. These individuals have an interest in your brand name. Social analytics can supply a great deal of details that could aid you comprehend why. You'll additionally discover potential market sections you may not have actually believed to target previously. You can also make use of social paying attention to help identify the people who are speaking about you, as well as your item on social media sites, even if they do not follow. If you want to reach your target audience with social advertising, lookalike target markets are an easy way to get to more people that share qualities with your finest customers. Look into the competition. Now that you know who's currently communicating with your business and getting your products or services, it's time to see that involving with the competitors. Now that you know who's currently communicating with your businesses and getting your products and services, it's time to see that's involving with the competitors. Recognizing what your rivals are up to can aid you respond to some essential questions. Are your rivals pursuing the same target audience segments as you are? Are they reaching the sectors you had not thought to take into consideration? Just how are they placing themselves? You won't be able to get detailed audience information concerning individuals communicating with your competitors. However, you will be able to obtain a general feeling of the strategy they are taking, and also whether it's permitting them to develop engagement online. This evaluation will certainly aid you recognize which market competitors are targeting and whether their initiatives appear to be effective for those sectors. Clarify the value of your products or services. This comes down to the essential distinction all marketing experts should recognize between features and also benefits. You can provide the features of the product all day long, yet no person will certainly be persuaded to purchase from you unless you can discuss the advantages. Attributes are what your item is or does. The advantages are the customers. Exactly how does your product make somebody's life simpler or better or just much more indulgent? If you do not already have a clear list of the advantages of your product, it's time to begin brainstorming currently. As you produce your benefit declarations, you'll likewise by default be mentioning some fundamental details regarding your target audience. As an example, if your service aids locate a person to take care of their pets while they're away, you can be pretty positive that your market will have two primary segments. First segment would be pet dog owners as well as. Second segment, existing or prospective pet sitters. I do hope a little bit this has helped you. If you like my videos, please press the button below. If you want to find out when I put more up, press the bell and put all, and you will get informed when I've put another video up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching, and I'll say goodbye for now, I hope.